Welcome to my channel developers. Here in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can create dynamic filter, right? Dynamic top and filter. So if you can see, I have this table and here I have product name and sum of sales. Here I have entered 5, so it is displaying top 5 products with the top sales, right? If I just mention here 3 and press enter, it will display me the top 3 sales, top maximum sales for what products, right? We will be learning how we can achieve it. So I am going to my blank Power BI. Here I have listed all my products and sum of sales amount, right, into my table. Now to achieve our goal, first step to do is go to the modeling tab here and create a new parameter for numeric range. Here I have given the name parameter, like the default name. Give the maximum as 1. Maximum you can give it as per your data set. I have given 200 and you can give default anything, right? I have given 5. Now make sure you have this checkboxes checked. Add slicer to this page, right? I'm creating it. You will see that this slicer has been added for this parameter. Here I'm entering any value, right? As of now, it will not affect this because we haven't connected these two things. Now, firstly, I'll modify this slicer as I don't need the slider and the header. Here I'll be just giving it the, I'll just increasing the font size. In the slicer header, let me turn it on again, and instead of parameter, let me give it top N and change the font family and font size of this of it also, right? Now the next step is we will have to create one dex measure. So here I am creating one new measure into my table. I am giving it as the name as condition. You can give any name. Creating one variable for top and products, as we are filtering our table based on product, so I'm giving it the name as products, right? So we have one function as top, and here I am using my parameter, right? Then I'm using all function to remove all the filters if any applied for this. So here I'm using the product name, right? Because I have to filter my sales, top sales for product names. Then I am taking the sum of sales amount because I have to filter maximum top sales, right? Then in descending order, right? Now one variable is completed. Now I am creating second variable for prod selected product, right? Then here I have selected value as a measure function. Here I will be choosing my product name, right? So for the why we are using this, because we will be filtering out the selected products for all the uh, values, for all the sales values. Now we have to return something, right? Return if our selected product is in top and products, right? I have taken both the variables. Now condition returns 1, or else if it is false then returns 0. Let me commit it. Now we have this condition ready. Now what we have to do, in the filters pane we will be bringing this condition here, not here, in the table visual. We will be bringing up the condition filters pane for filter on this visual, and I'm giving it as, if this condition is 1, then okay, right? Apply filter. Now I have written as 5 plus enter. It is not reflecting, right? So might be there is something required into my measure. A sales amount. Uh, okay, let me just create one measure here, saying that for total sales, and I'll be giving it as sum of sales amount. Press enter, and I'll be removing sum of sales from here and using total sales, right? And again in the same condition here, I'll be using the measure here for total sales. Press enter. See, this is done. So in this measure we have to use the measure itself, right? Instead of total sales we have to use the measure instead, correct? Now if you go with 3, it will give you the top 3 product names. Now if you go with 7, it will reflect the 7 sales, 7 top sales, and it is arranging in the descending order the product names, right? You can go with 20 also. It will give you the 20 product names for top sales, right? You can arrange it in descending or ascending order, clicking on this particular top sales icon here, descending and ascending order. So this is how we implement dynamic top and slicer or filter